Hi, my name is Hishma Hamid, and I'm the president of the Accounting Society, one of the largest student organizations on campus. Our purpose is to provide students with opportunities to network, engage, and build relationships with public accounting firms locally and nationally. We look forward to having you join us.
Ever wonder what's it like to work in public accounting? Come out to one of our speaker meetings where you can network with professionals and learn about their day-to-day responsibilities.
Some other events we host are office hours, where you can network with a specific firm in an open setting or one-on-one with a professional in a closed setting. And we also host our professional skills workshops.
Hey, did you know the Accounting Society is affiliated with over 50 plus firms from Big Four to mid-tier and local firms?
Meet the Firms is the most important networking event of the semester. Here, our AS members are able to recruit with professionals from different types of firms.
We also host a range of different social events, from our barbecue to our theme park socials, and have a buddy system in place.
Are you interested in becoming a member? We host our membership drive for the first 4 weeks of the semester. No requirements, but the more you put, the more you get out.
For more information, check out our website and social media pages.